When I joined Appfire, I started working on certain projects very, very quickly, so I could learn even faster. So I feel like my onboarding was quite seamless. Actually, I didn't even feel the moment that like, okay, this is the end of onboarding and now go ahead and work. It wasn't like this. It was actually contributing from day one. We're really big about our product. And it feels great because our users are also product and agile teams. And we know that our tool is highly collaborative tools, and they can also dream big using our tool. So it's very exciting. It feels great.
Appfire has more tools to make better sales process. The customer base is very big. Previously, the size of the team and the budget behind Whiteboards team was very small because the company was small. Right? It couldn't take risks. But right now, it's a completely different game. We plan to have multiple teams. We have budget for various projects. Imagine getting an investor. That's what actually happened. From the human perspective, we are open for new culture. Our family here in Poland was very specific. Like we have our way of doing things, our way of communication. But now we have completely new people around our team. So we learn a new way to communicate.
I knew from the grapevine that they really hired good folks. Before joining Appfire, I would always work with either people junior to me that I would either mentor or guide or lead. But when I joined the team here, it was composed from with such great folks like Grzegorz, for example, and other people. I had to drastically change my approach to things because all of a sudden I was working with people who were better than me in many degrees, and I had to adjust and really listen more than tell, and really kind of adopt a different mind frame, not the mind frame of this preacher guy, or that I'm trying to sell something and you need to buy, but more of the scientist person that I am open to any ideas, regardless whether they are mine or someone else's, is very difficult to describe. And it's much better to kind of experience his ability to work with super strong people. And I think you only appreciate it when you experience it. You get to work in a startup kind of environment, yet at the same time, you have all the benefits that usually come with bigger company. So the mix of two worlds.
Opportunities is really important for me. There's a lot of knowledge in our team. We have two principal engineers, and that fact alone makes it so that there's so much experience and knowledge. But apart from opportunity, I would say one thing is stability. Before acquisition, it was kind of a bigger startup, I would say. But right now, we're still in this startup mindset, but we're at Appfire, and there's so much stability.
Appfire is a huge company. We as a team, we have that autonomy and we can make decisions what the product would be like. It's our responsibility, and that's something that's really important for me. The most important value is the one about being human. There's a lot of people we work with, people from different countries and different ways how we think about some things. And despite that, we still can discuss and talk and be nice to each other, and the place where anybody can feel really comfortable, I think.
Appfire altogether, we put a great pressure on a great talent, making sure that we work with people that will really contribute to the success of not only Whiteboards, but all products. And you can feel that. You can feel that people are coming to work with you are people who actually bring the real market experience. And you can feel that, you can learn from that. And yeah, not only you can learn from that, but you can implement it and, further campaigns, talking from marketing perspective, you've got impact. And that's the most important thing. And I've been with Appfire for a year, before with Spartus for almost 3 years. And every single day has been great. They're very dynamic. So new challenges, new ideas, and new results. That's pretty much what drives me here.